This smart doorknob stands out by offering 5 different ways to unlock, including fingerprint, app, passcode, card, and a traditional key, so it adapts easily to different users in the household or office. Fingerprint recognition is fast and reliable once set up, making it convenient to come and go without searching for keys, especially when your hands are full. The automatic locking and anti-peep code features add a reassuring layer of security, while low battery warnings help you avoid getting locked out unexpectedly. Installation is straightforward for a typical interior door, with clear instructions and included hardware that allow most people to handle the upgrade without calling a locksmith. When paired with the optional gateway, remote app control, and voice assistant support, make it feel like a true smart home device, letting you check and manage the lock from almost anywhere. The matte black finish and softly backlit keypad give the knob a modern, understated look that blends well with contemporary decor and remains easy to see in the dark.